There is a saying, the status of women reflects the level of civilization of a country, and the status of women's rights in the country can reflect the overall level of human rights protection. China's first women's rights protection law was passed by the National People's Congress in 1992, amended in 2005, and revised for the second time in 2018. After several rounds of deliberations, the NPC passed the newly revised law on the protection of rights and interests of women on October 30th, 2022, and the law came into force on January 1st, 2023. The new law stipulates that the state shall take necessary measures to promote gender equality, eliminate discrimination of all forms against women, and prohibit exclusion or restriction of women's legitimate rights and interests. According to the law, governments at all levels and all relevant departments shall optimize employment security measures for women and prevent gender discrimination and create an impartial employment and entrepreneurial environment. The law mandates that gender discrimination in job recruitment, admission, promotion, and dismissal be included in the supervision of labor rights protection. The law also stipulates that the state shall implement the maternity insurance system, establish and improve security systems related to maternity, including child care services for infants and young children, and optimize the maternity leave system. In response to public concerns, it forbids the sexual harassment of women through speech, text messages, physical acts, or any other means, stating that women are encouraged to report such incidents to governments or public security bureaus or initiate a civil lawsuit. The law also requires employers to make rules and name a special team or personnel responsible for handling sexual harassment cases and to provide dedicated reporting channels for female employees, such as through email or telephone. Employers are also required to protect women's personal information and provide psychological aid for victims if necessary. The law states that accommodation operators need to strengthen security measures and contact the police if they discover women are being harmed. To further safeguard women's privacy and reputation, the law clarifies that media reports must be regulated to avoid them infringing on women's personal rights. It permits human resources and social security departments to work with trade unions or women's federations to have regulatory talks with employers if companies are found to have trouble guaranteeing women's labor rights and interests. Moreover, it requires government agencies at all levels to pay closer attention to safeguarding women facing difficulties.